Let's talk about that heart-stopping moment when a crucial file just poof, vanishes. You know that feeling, right? That sudden panic? Is it gone for good? Well, for over 30 years, Stellar has been the go-to expert in data care. Their whole mission is to build tools to solve any data crisis you could face. Okay, so let's start with solutions for everyday folks like you and me. So whether it's work files or precious photos, they've got a specific tool for the job. This is their heavy hitter, Stellar Data Recovery for both Windows and Mac.
It can handle anything, from a simple oops deletion to a totally crashed system.
And it's not just for computers. They've got you covered for iOS and Android too. But check this out. It's not just about getting files back. It's about repairing them.
Okay, but what if it's not just your data, but your whole business on the line?
Because for a business, data isn't just data. It's everything. That's why Stellar has tools specifically for critical apps like Outlook and MS SQL. For server admins, this is huge. It repairs corrupt Exchange databases to get you back online.
So the bottom line is, if a business app fails, Stellar likely has a fix for it.
And for the IT pros, they package all this power into some serious toolkits. This toolkit tackles the really tough stuff, like RAID arrays and virtual drives, a total lifesaver. But here's where it gets really interesting. It's not just about recovery, but the full life cycle. When data needs to be gone for good, BitRaiser makes sure it's permanently and securely erased. So you see, it's a complete data care suite, from recovery all the way to erasure. Basically, they can recover it, they can repair it, and they can securely erase it. All right, so how can you get your hands on this entire suite of software? Easy. Rytech Global Enterprise is the one and only authorized distributor for everything Stellar. So, if you're ready to find the right solution, here's what you need to do. Just send an email right here to get started on protecting your data today.